So, hello there. It's been so long I'm animated. What's up, Phoenix? Marty G here with you, and I am going to show you how to do the live stream through Zoom and record because things are a little crazy. So, ask me. I'm an expert alumni with you. And if you're trying to figure it out, I know it took me a while to figure out, so I'm going to do this live right now. Okay, so this part has been recorded, but watch what happens now. I'm going to set all this up, which is going to end up being recorded, and then I'm going to do it again while it's recording. So here we go. So I'm going to share screen. Okay. So just to make sure, if I'm sharing my screen, I am. All right. A couple things to be aware of. I'm going to back out of this page for a second. Back out again. Actually, I'm going to go forward. There we go. Okay, so I'm on my main page, and since I'm still able to do live stream and stuff on our page, I'm going to go live, and I chose I wanted to post in the group. In the group I'm posting in. Stop me if you see it. Just kidding. Right there. Okay, so I've already selected it, and then I go live. And then it's going to give me 3 things to do right here. So try to work from left to right. That'll make it easier for you. All right. So from the left first, connect video, complete post details, and then go live. I'm going to work a little bit out of order first. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is complete the post details. So I'm going to call this, what is the title of this? I'm going to go ask the alumni. That sounds familiar. Although I'm having trouble spelling and typing. Alumni. Live stream. Stream. And Zoom record. Facebook changed. Settings. How do I do this now? I'm going to cheat and cut and paste that later because I'm going to do it live. So I might have to bore people like, why does it take as long to type it? So we'll copy it, and then save. So now that's already populated over there. Private group because we are a private group. Sweet. Now, got that. Now there's the middle portion over here. We got streaming software. Make sure that's where you're going. And you're gonna need these few things for setting up the stream because no longer do you just hit Facebook Live and then record because that's just what you don't do anymore. So we're gonna do this. You're gonna make sure you have access to the stream key. Hit the advanced settings. You want to have access to this server URL, which is this one right here. And then one more, we need to go make sure we have the page open that we want to go to. So I'm going to go back home and I'm going to go find that sucker. Let's see, go home. And I'm going to go to my groups. Groups. And Oregon chapter. No, right there. There it is. So we'll go there. Boop. Boop. And now we're in the group. So we're going to need that page open when we get other information like the URL. Or the page URL. All right. So now we got all that stuff open. And we're zooming, and now I'm going to go to the actual web portal page. I already have that open, but I'm going to go there anyway. So on the web portal page, I'm going to go to meetings. And then I'm going to find my meetings, like all of my meetings. Previous meetings, because I've been doing this for a while. So I'm going to find the one that says Nation. There it is, Oregon chapter. I'm going to click right here. That's going to take me to the meeting that we're in right now. Pulls up all the information for the meeting. I'm going to click right here where it says live streaming. Pulls all the information up for the live stream. But we're going to change some of this stuff so we can actually get to the live stream. So live streaming, click edit. Now here's the information we need: stream URL, stream key, and live streaming URL. So first, stream key. Come back, we don't need that page. Come back to this page right here, the live producer page. So first things first, we'll go get the streaming software, the stream key. So we're going to hit copy and then come back to this page, which is now the configure custom streaming service, and we'll put that under stream key. Paste. To double check it, I use the last 4 or 3. This is SILP. So go back to the streaming page, and there he goes, SILP. It's got the right one. Then I'll come down here and I'll get the server URL. I'll copy that, and I'll come back to this page, the Zoom portal, and I'll put this in this page here where it says the stream URL, and paste. Then I want to make sure I'm streaming on the right page, because if you don't have the right page, you'll be streaming to nothing or somebody else's page and they won't know what the heck's going on. So we're going to go here to our chapter page, and that's why I had to get here to make sure I could copy and paste the URL for the group. So yes, it's a URL for the page, but the page actually is for a group, Facebook group. So I've selected it and I'm copying it, and now I'm going to go back here and I'm going to put it where it says the URL. I come here and I go paste, and I go save. Now all that information is there. Now if I go back here to this main page, it says connecting to the streaming, which is awesome. Then I pull over the driver, the old share the screen thing, so you can see what I'm doing. And now I'm going to do old school for sharing or going live. We used to be able to do live on Facebook. That's not the case anymore. All right, so now we do the live on custom streaming service. I'm gonna click that. Now it's preparing to do the live stream, right? So what else do you have to do? Should be ready to go, right? Nope, you got one more step. Come back over here. You got to go live still. So everything's ready to go. Now it's just a matter of going live. So now I'm just going to do everything I just did, but do it live. So I'm going to go live. Hello. What's happening, chapter? Hey, it's Avatar Marty G. Yeah, I'm being goofy because I found an avatar. I didn't know you could actually make avatars for yourself in Zoom now. So I thought I would make one. And what's cool about this one is this one's going to show you how to actually figure out how to do a live stream through a third-party software that does recording and go through Facebook Live, if that makes sense. So here we go. Where is the video? Where am I? I don't see myself coming up here. Supposed to be live right now. Weird. I don't see me. Okay, well, I know, because I haven't shared it yet. I'm up in the corner still. Okay, so I need to stop sharing. Ha! I forgot to stop sharing. That's what I did. Yeah. Alrighty. Hello. There I am. Hi, chapter. It's Digital Marty G coming at ya live on my page, and I am going to show you how to do some digital live streaming through a third-party app software for recording, and I'm going to do it through Zoom because I had problems, couldn't figure out how to do it. I had to work with Zoom and figure out some problems. So I also do Fathom, which is another third-party software. It's harder than it used to be. You used to be able to just click a button and just go, but you can't do that anymore. So I've got a couple of things already set up because I was recording the video before I went live. So I'm just going to show you what I have set up so you know what to do when you are doing what I'm doing. Does that make sense? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so here we are in the meeting. Yay, meeting. Go meeting. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find our meeting that we're in. And I'm going to go to my Zoom settings. So let me just start by sharing that screen. So, that's not it. That's LinkedIn. Here we go. So I'm going to share my screen. I opened up the back end because you have to do these things from the actual web portal to Zoom now. So, to live stream if you want to record it. So, my best suggestion to you is what I'm going to have to learn how to do is work in advance. I can't do live stream on the fly and record anymore, which I used to love to do. I'm going to actually have to be scheduled. It's going to make it a lot easier for you to have a bunch of them scheduled because otherwise it's going to be kind of a convoluted mess. It's kind of tough to do. So, let me share that screen with you. And we'll share. All right, so here's the Zoom back office. So on the web page, you're going to come up to your login, then you're going to come over here to the meetings tab. Click meetings. It pulls up all your stinking meetings. Well, I went to previous because I've been doing this all day just to make sure I know how to do this. And I'm going to come here to, it says Marty testing meeting with Jessica. That's the gal from Zoom. Okay, so I went here. Here's all the stuff that's going on in the meeting, but I just want the live stream information because that's what I'm working on right now. It's a live stream. And I want to hit edit because there's these customize field. Remember the word custom because that's what we're doing now. When I'm going right to Facebook, we're custom streaming. I need to figure out where these three fields of information are because it's information you need to make sure it works. So how do I find that? Well, I come back here to my trusty dusty handy dandy Facebook page where you're seeing me now. Now here's the thing, I'm already doing it, so it kind of stinks as I can't undo what I'm doing. But what I can do is I can open another page and show you. So let's do this. I'm gonna go here, Facebook, and I'm gonna go groups, and then I'm gonna go Oregon chapters, and then I'm gonna go posting here, and then I'm gonna go live video. So then it gives you these selections here, and then you hit go live. I can do this much, I believe, because I'm not changing anything, so it'll give me all the setups for it, okay? So here's what you have to do. You have to do all this stuff before you go live now. You've got to figure out the streaming software. You got to have all the content that you're putting in. You got to have everything, all this stuff all set up before you can actually even click go live. It just is a drag now. So the first three things are over here. So just go from left to right with your page. The second thing I do, the first thing I do is the second thing is on the list. The second thing is complete the post details. I do that first because I want to make sure I know what I'm talking about. And all the steps I have to take, I don't want to forget what I'm talking about. So I just fill this out, all this information out first. So, this is Marty filling out test stuff. Okay, and save. All right. Then it says connect to the video source. Super duper. So that means I got to go back to the Zoom information, and there's the video source information, right? So now it gives me the information I need to get. I just go back to that streaming page that I created, and there's a streaming key. There is that other key, other deal, and I can get the URL from the beginning. Now I'm just going to copy these and paste them, but I'm not going to save, because if I save it, it's going to blow out what I have going on right now. So streaming key, that goes here. And then stream URL, that goes Roxy, don't you dare, don't you start. Roxy saw a dog and she's about to start barking. Hi. Okay, just stay right there. Nope, I'm recording. I can't. Nope, no, I'm recording. And then come back here. I said, no, I'm recording. Note to self, don't talk to your dog while you're recording. And you go paste. Paste that there. Super duper. And then as far as the URL, there it is. Because I already did it, obviously, because that's where we are right now. And then you hit save. Now, once you do that, it's going to start connecting everything you need to connect. You come back to this page of the live stream page, and it's going to say you're connected to the video source. And the last thing you have to do is go live. And then when you go live, you're going to see a page very similar to this one that we see right here. This is a live page. I'm live right now with you. And it tells me all my insights. It tells me everything that I'm doing. It shows everything that's going on with the page, everything that's happening, cross-posting if I wanted to, any comments that anybody had for me, anything to that effect that's going on, super. I'm going to stop sharing. So, there you go. This was the fastest one I've done out of like the other 4 that I've done, and I'm not going to do any more. I think I've got it down, but I will tell you, it is a tough process. It's not as easy as it used to be. So that's live streaming through a third-party source like Zoom, or having another application assigned to it like Fathom is one that I use. It's kind of convoluted, but I say it will work. If you've got questions, put them in the comments for me, and I will make them a lot shorter than this video. I promise. Have a great day, and this is Marty G saying, I am out of here. See ya.